We are starting the demo video for op-amp based first order. This is basically low pass, high pass and a band pass filter tuner kit with an inbuilt function generator giving sine, square and triangle waveforms and TTL output from 10 Hz to 100 kHz. To access the function generator, first you have to select the range. Right now, like I am selecting 10K. Then the next step is selecting the waveform, square, triangle or sine. We'll use the fundamental waveform, that is our sine wave. Then you can use simply a DSO or a CRO to select input and ground. You can see here we can change the amplitude and you can change the frequency. Similarly, the same TTL output for every selected frequency will also be available on the TTL output section. Right now we have selected a frequency of 1 kilohertz, and in 1 kilohertz input. Now we are connecting the output of the low pass filter section to our DSO. We will connect ground to ground and signal to B. Then we will connect ground of the function generator to the black, that is the ground of the low pass filter. The yellow of the low pass filter section goes to the output. Now we will select the capacitor. The capacitor defines the range for which it will pass the low pass. So now this is the low pass filter in working. Now as I increase the frequency, you will see that the amplitude is dropping. That is because it is a low pass filter passing from 1 Hz to 1 kilohertz. After that the output will start diminishing. Now we are going to go on with the high pass filter. In the high pass filter, we will use the same function generator as input. We will connect the ground to ground. We will connect the output of the function generator to point C, and we will select our capacitor. Right now we are selecting 0.1 microfarad, and we will connect the output to our DSO. This is basically a high pass filter. This will allow only high values to pass. And now as soon as we go to a lower frequency, you see that the amplitude has diminished. Below 1 kilohertz the output will diminish, and above 1 kilohertz, if we go like 100, we are getting the full amplitude. So this is a high pass filter passing only high frequencies and blocking all frequencies below low in a diminishing pattern.